You want me to introduce it?
Beer drinking people.
See here, a whole bunch of them, a whole house full. Big Al Downing, ladies and gentlemen.
Now, I'm a guy that likes beer. A good time, a good brew, and a good-looking woman. But not necessarily in that order. And when they ask me about it, this is what I tell them. We are not winners, not losers, no dopers, just boozers, just beer drinking country folk trying to survive. Yeah, we love them where we find them, leave them where we love them, and we fight like hell just to stay alive. We're dreamers, not schemers, just average in-betweeners, just good old boys trying to get it on.